Jai Hind friends, if you have filed your ITR for the assessment year 25-26, as you know, approximately 8 crore 50 lakh ITR has been filed, but out of those, only 7 crore 77 lakh ITR which has been verified has been processed with Income Tax Department. So out of those ITR filed, 9% ITR still pending for processing. And a bad news has came from Income Tax Department. Many bulk messages has been sent by Income Tax Department by mentioning their name, and here it is written attention and the name of that person, PAN number, first 5 digit of their PAN number and a last digit of PAN number has already been mentioned. If you are also waiting for your TDS refund, if your ITR has not been processed yet, so if you have received this message, then you should take this message on priority. Don't take it lightly. It was noticed that a claim of refund has been made in the income tax return. Claim of refund means any extra TDS, TCS or advance tax has been paid by you and you have asked for the refund, and on this PAN number for assessment year 25-26 filed by you. The year ended on 31st March 2025, financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26. It is telling about processing of the said return has been put on hold, means now Income Tax Department is not going to process your ITR because it has been put on hold as it was identified under risk management framework. And what is this risk management framework? They are using AI technology and many filter has been applied by Income Tax Department. For example, your AIS, TIS and 26AS is showing larger data than you have. The data has been shown in your income tax return. Suppose in old tax regime you have taken largely deductions and exemptions. In the new tax regime, many taxpayer has claimed allowances, deductions, exemptions which are initially not applicable on them on account of certain discrepancies. Suppose you have taken your GST registration and you have shown GST turnover is 50 lakh or whatever, but in your income tax return you have not shown that. You have deposited cash, you have paid credit card bill and many more transactions are showing in your online AIS, TIS. In the claim of refund, an email with the detail has been sent to your registered mail ID. Now many people become panic that we have not received any email, so you need not to worry. So what you have to do, you need to click on your you need to log in your income tax portal. You need to give on the e-proceeding, you need to check pending action, you need to check on work list, otherwise you can go on compliance portal. If you still not receive any notice, any action to be taken, then you must check your AIS, TIS and form 26AS and it should be reconciled with the income tax return you have filed already. You can reconcile with yourself. Alternatively, you can take professional help of a chartered accountant if you need, so you can call, message or WhatsApp us anytime. And now they are saying as the time limit of filing of revised return of income tax assessment year 25-26 will be expiring on 31st December. You know very well, after 31st December 2025 you will not be able to file revised ITR of assessment year 25-26. You are requested to avail the opportunity to file revised ITR within due date. So everyone can do mistake, commit mistake, but they are giving you another chance that if you have committed any mistake in your income tax return, then you can revise it without any penalty. If you have claimed any fake deductions, exemptions, higher TDS, then you can also rectify the same. And now they have written an updated return may be alternatively filed. We are still will be force you to file your income tax return. They can open your case under section 143(2) up to 31st June 2026. Section 133(6) notice can be sent anytime. Section 148 notice can be sent up to 4 years after the end of financial year. So they have many options. You don't think that if the 31st December 2025 has been passed, so you have saved yourself. They still can be force you to file your ITR in updated ITR. In that you have to pay additional tax of 25% of any tax which you have to pay. In the below last year 50%, then 60%, 70% of additional tax you have to pay if any tax payable become at the time of filing updated ITR. In case a revised ITR has been already filed on the referred issue, kindly ignore this message. But if you have not revised your ITR, if you have not checked your ASTS 26AS, then you should not avoid this message. Friends, Income Tax Department is very strict nowadays. They are not giving any fake deductions, exemptions, claims. Warm regard, income tax department. So if you need any professional help, you can call, message or WhatsApp us. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us for future updates and many income tax personal finance videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.